Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So we're going to have a look at the US dollar in this video, and I want to talk about that because over the last probably the last couple of months, I've been saying that US dollar is getting ready to break out. And I said that if we start the breakout, we're probably going to go for a nice run. And that's exactly what's actually happened right now. I'm looking at the UUP right now, so it's a bit more chunky, which means it's gappy. But looking at this US dollar right now, we're breaking out very, very strongly. And that's obviously what's putting a bit of pressure on the metals as well too. But that may not be the case, okay? That may not be the case. Even though the US dollar is rising, the metals are not really falling right now, okay? So right now, what's happening right now, we're breaking out to the upside. You can see we're squeezing up, a little bit of a pullback, and then a break to the upside. So that's what we can see right now on this UUP right now. And if I bring up my weekly chart, so this is the last, say, 6 months. If I bring up my weekly chart, then as you can see, right, the next resistance where it's likely to run to is up here close to that 27 level. At least that 27 level there is the 26.50, probably around 27. It'll probably likely to overshoot because the market really likes round numbers. So that's probably where it's likely to run to right now on the US dollar here. And if it does continue on US dollar, then it looks like US dollar is likely to run straight back up towards this $28 level through here. So that's what I can see there right now. So right now we're really picking up a lot of steam here where we are. So right now it looks like we're heading up towards this level through here on the US dollar. So I wouldn't be too quite surprised to see the bigger picture that I see happening right now with the US dollar is we're likely to go through a bit of a rise. And like with the stock market, but we're likely to go through a bit of a rise. What's happening right now in America. But then maybe over the next 12 months, we're likely to form a bit of a peak because we are likely to go through a bit of a dollar crisis, I believe, in America, and that's going to cause a devalue in the US dollar. The US dollar is probably going to fall then, and at that time when that starts to kick in, that's probably when the recession is going to start. It's going to really kick in over in America, and then the the silver and gold is probably going at the same time is going to start its next bull run, or what I believe it's gonna go through what I believe the biggest bull run we've ever seen in gold, or maybe not ever, but another big bull run in gold. So that's what I'm seeing there right now with the US dollar. Hey traders, I'm running a flash sale. It's a $7 flash sale to my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls trading course. If you go to johnsflashsale.com, you can get access to the $7 massive sale that I'm doing right now for a short time. So go to johnsflashsale.com and I'll see you over there.